Hey everybody, Johnny Be Good here. We are at the 45-mile-an-hour zone in a construction. That trucker right there, I guarantee you, he's gonna get a speeding ticket, and possibly, in fact, I guarantee you, he's getting a reckless driving ticket. And if he does, he'll be out of a job next week. I guarantee it. And that is the reason why I don't speed in the construction. Because it is just way too expensive. It doesn't make sense. So if you guys ever see a truck driver go real slow on a construction zone, that is why. The price is way too high to speed through the construction zone. I thought I'd let you know. Johnny Be Good here. Peace.